Hey guys, Shannon Robnett. Hey, I've been in the industry of construction and development for over 25 years. I've been raising capital, building apartments, building industrial, and I'm going to be at the Hero Conference in Houston in September. And I'm going to show you guys what I've done in my career to raise over $65 million. I'm going to help you guys understand that the construction and development niche is alive and well and how you can participate in it. I'm privileged to be joined by the likes of Tim Mai, Dan Hanford, Ben Suttles. These guys are killers in the industry, and I've been asked to speak along with them. Bridger Pennington's going to be there. You're going to want to make it to this because we are going to be giving you the tips and tricks from industry experts that are going to help you level up your game, whether it's value add, whether you're in the industrial space, whether you're in construction and development like myself. So you're going to want to come to the Hero Conference and learn how to raise capital, how to be effective at conveying your story, and create an audience of raving fans that wants to participate with you in your projects. So guys, I'm looking forward to it. See you in Houston in September.